defense agreements between India and US. Security of Military Information Agreement signed in 2002 for technology cooperation in the military sector, sharing of classified information between the government companies of both US and India but not with the private companies. LEMOA Logistics Exchange Memorandum of Agreement signed in 2016. It gives both the nations access to each other's military facilities. The agreement will primarily cover 4 areas: port calls, joint exercises, training and humanitarian assistance, and disaster relief. COMCASA Communication Compatibility and Security Agreement signed in 2018. It would facilitate access to advanced defense systems and enable India to optimally utilize it. It is valid for 10 years only. To provide legal framework for the transfer of highly sensitive communication security equipment from US to India. BECA Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement signed in 2020 October, and BECA enables sharing geospatial information including nautical and aeronautical charts and also the complete data backed by highly accurate US satellites help in navigation as well as targeting the military assets in the country. Practice question. Arrange the foundational defense agreements between India and the US in chronological order. First one COMCASA, second LEMOA, third BECA, and fourth one JSOMI. In this, options are A 1243, option B 4231, option 3 4213, and option D 2431. If you are regularly reading newspaper, then it's very easy to arrive at the conclusion that BECA is the latest one, October 2020. So you can eliminate option B and D. Option C 4213, that is JSOMIA, then comes LEMOA, third COMCASA, and fourth one BECA. Okay, thank you.